Hello, police!
Anyone in here announce yourself?
All right, today with the Milwaukee County Sheriff's Office eviction crew. Today we're at our first eviction, which is at a business. Once the crew gets here,
Police!
they'll clear the residence, rather the building. And once after they clear the building, then we'll go in and see if anything is storageable property.
Police, anybody up here?
Being assigned to evictions is probably the most dangerous assignment in law enforcement. The reason why is because we're going into properties that we know nothing about. We don't know the layout of the property. We don't know if they have weapons in the property. We don't know if they have loose dogs in the property. We don't know anything about that until we get in. So therefore, we're going into an environment that we're not comfortable with.
Right. Swatters?
No, just Kevin moved the curtain in, which is infested with cockroaches.
Good morning, Deputy Peterson, Sheriff's Eviction Unit. It's my partner, Deputy Jones, as well as a couple more of our partners here. We're here for the eviction.
But one thing that we're really good at is we're good at de-escalating hostile and volatile situations. We roughly will do anywhere from 5 to 10 evictions. Prior to COVID, we were doing 25 to 30 evictions a day. Well, one thing that we'd like to get out is that we don't evict people, we evict properties. So a lot of people think that we're here and we're evicting people. We don't evict people, we evict the property.
Ma'am, if you could put any medication, anything you may need for the little one, we can put
The second thing is that we're here to keep the peace, and we're also here to protect property. So, you know, we understand that it's an unfortunate incident, but we're here by a court order, and we have to mandate the court order. That's one of the requirements of the state statute.
There's a 4-way right there.